Today we're going to go have a beach day around the beach, the Pebble Beach, the Stone Beach, because it's quite warm-ish, we think. Who knows? Today we'll look at booking the volcano springs. That's what we'll do. I've got to wait because Rihanna's left bloody lip balm in the room. But hey, how pretty is this? Yeah, it's quite warm. And the sunbeds at Kamari are free. Rihanna is there. It's kind of cute. This has potential to burn. It's quite warm. I brought me swimming trunks in case I want to go for a little dip. We order a chocolate milkshake and just chill the fuck out here. So we're just sat around the pool. We've been to the beach. We've been there since about 10 o'clock till about 2:30. Yeah. So now we're just back around the pool. We had food. It cost us about €60 for some food and drink this afternoon, but tonight we're going to go out for food. Tomorrow we're going to look at doing some quad biking, so I haven't really video much today. The pool is freezing. It's absolutely freezing pool. I pushed.
But the sea is even colder than the pool, so...
Yeah, we didn't get in the sea because that was Baltic and plus it was rocky, so didn't do that, but it's quite warm. I feel like I've burned, that's why I've got my top on, because I just went back to the room and I feel proper burnt. I've been applying factor 30 non-stop. It'll be a bit cloudy tomorrow and then sunny again. So yeah, might go Oia, whatever. So good evening. Yeah, we've still the second day. I don't know where I'm up to. See how we went to the beach. We've just got ready. I'm a little bit burnt. I feel my arms are very red arms. And this is what we're going for tonight. It's currently still 21 degrees. Sun's still out. It's about just going on 7ish, and then we're just gonna go for a walk in Kamari and see if we can get some more to eat. And tomorrow we're gonna. So I've had my sunglasses all day. We're gonna see if we can get some quad bikes. See if they actually check our ID. If not, we'll go to Oia. We'll go up there and then just wander around. Hello. This is what Rihanna's wearing. Very pretty. Very pretty. Walking down Kamari, walking all past all the restaurants, saying no to everyone, and then we'll eventually say yes to the one I want. So we've just stopped at this bar restaurant called Captain Hook. My little D. We only got Fanta orange, Fanta lemon. We both ordered chicken souvlaki. Yeah. I'm just teaching Rihanna how to work the camera. So
I'm doing good.
Yeah.
How do I zoom? At the top?
The little, no, the other one.
I can't do this, guys.
Yeah.
This?
That's the amount of things.
I'm doing it. Okay, I can do this. I can be the new cameraman. So anyway, we've come for food.
Captain Hook restaurant.
Hook Spa. And we've got a nice view again, like yesterday, which, there we go. Nice little cute view. But if I can't speak, I can't do this.
Oh, this is my YouTube channel. Let's give it back. Let's give Commander back.
Bye, guys.
Driver. Thank you. Chicken souvlaki looking absolutely brilliant. Smash. We came for ice cream. That just auto brightened this. That's so cool. We came for ice cream. Have it, man.
Still going. I got a brownie one. It's really nice.
And I got mid-chop chips. But the food was good, €40. We both had chicken souvlaki. That was good. And now we're just chilling. It's proper nice, isn't it, love?
Yeah, it's proper nice.
Proper nice. The man was making fun of us for like being from Liverpool, but
we're not from Liverpool. He asked where we're from and I was like, near Liverpool. Because no one knows we're witnesses.
No one.
Especially in Greece. Like.
And plus we never talk in like our normal accents. We always talk to each other in like
Jimbo.
Hello. Or like, oh my lord. Do you see what he's like? We always just don't talk in our accents because we're weird. Oh, look at the my sunglasses thing.
Look at this guy. Just say that. Hopefully it turns to tan.
The next day.
Good morning again from Kamari. Today we're off to Oia here. So we're going to get the bus from Kamari to Fethiye. Not Fethiye, that's Turkey. What am I talking about? Fera, and then Fera to Oia. Love, I'm saying we're going to Fethiye, yeah?
I don't think we are.
That's Turkey.
It's a while away.
Yeah, it's a bit cloudy today, but UV's still very high, so yeah. So where the bus stop is in Kamari. We're going to get a water. make sure you stand around this area, just opposite here, because this is where the bus will pull up, and then it will just be a stampede for everyone to get on. Won't it? Yeah, you'll be probably standing, but if you stand here, you'll get a seat. So back in Feda, and then this is where you get the bus now to Oia, but yeah, it's a proper busy, so yeah, a lot of people standing on that bus. But yeah, so we're now on the bus to Oia.
I don't even know, they say both.
Anyway, it was about 160 ticket, it's not bad. Better than a €50 taxi. The slight issue.
This one not.
The card won't come out and it's saying please take your card.
I'm literally using all my force and it will not come out.
I'm not impressed. Just had the bank nightmare. My card was stuck in there for ages. Just couldn't get it out.
The card is literally bent now if you pull it.
Yeah. The man had to get tweezers to try and like sort it. But not impressed. This Australian man, I don't fucking know, mate. I was like, that's cool. How do I get up here? Where am I going?
No, I don't know.
Am I? It is beautiful here, but it is busy as hell. It is packed. This in July or August would be just, I think, horrible. But beautiful. Pretty.
I think May is probably a good time to come. So it's not in like the peak season.
And the weather said it's going to be cloudy today, and we're being absolutely lied to. Yet again, we're getting ice cream in Oia. What's it called, love? We get ice cream. Rihanna gets hers in a cone, I get mine in a tub. So it's gone horribly wrong with this ice cream already. Rihanna's is half down there. Half on the seat. And then that's what I got left. I've finished mine. I went for mint chocolate chip and chocolate. Only wanted mint chocolate chip, but the guy put chocolate on top because apparently it said mint chocolate. Anyway, €12. And after my car getting stuck, we don't think it's working because it wasn't working then, so we're gonna have to go in ATM and try and solve this as a team. And then we're gonna carry on.
It's on my pants as well. I love it.
Shocking. You're just so messy. We'll sort it out. Rihanna's a bit upset with a stain on her leg.
I got a tiny bit of chocolate on it, so I tried to wipe it off with a napkin, but then the napkin was black, so it's put a big like ink stain on me now.
And she's not best impressed, but I feel like I'm tanning / burning with the cloud. Very pretty. I think you can walk down there on all the steps, so do you want to walk down? So pretty. Where are we again? Oia. Just stopped off for 2 Cokes so Rihanna can go to the toilet. This is our view in Oia. Absolutely beautiful, just near the St. Yachting. Very nice, very peaceful. It's so warm today though, isn't it? Like, even though it said it was cloudy.
I got on these pants again today because these are the only pants I bought. Everything else is like shorts or dresses. Because I thought it was going to be cold today. And I was going to bring a jacket as well.
And it's just so hot and I'm burning and I can feel it, like my arms are just red. Oh well, you're going to top up with sun cream, aren't you? No, you are. Yeah, good gal. So it was €12 for 2 Cokes, which I think is pretty expensive. So €12 for 2 Cokes.
So basically you just paid like a £5.
Yeah. So yeah, Oia, pretty expensive. Like a lot of the restaurants as well, if you wanted like a drink, they're like, no, lunch only. But even though they're empty, some of them. So yeah, some of them, just be warned, some of them won't let you in for drinks, only if you eat.
This is the
This would be nice to have like a white I've got a white one.
But yeah, again, Rihanna drags me in every single one of these shops. Yeah. Down there, big yacht. Defo Captain Lee on that. He's defo telling the deck crew off right now for not doing the lines properly.
We love Captain Lee.
We do, but it's just like, it is what you see in the pictures. Isn't it, love? Very white, very beautiful. Back on the bus now, going to Fira. May get some food, then get the bus back to Kamari. €1.60.
Why? I think you meant like before we're doing it.
Are you enjoying the holiday? Are you sure? Got off the bus in Fira. We're now at this nice little cafe. We're just going to get a crepe each, Nutella, and we're just hoping it's going to be nice. Yeah, pretty nice. It's gone a bit cold now, hasn't it? A bit windy.
A little bit.
But yeah, still not freezing, but a bit windy. This is brilliant. All gone. Wolf. How is it? Amazing. Excellent. I feel very stiff, sore, burnt. This is what I'm wearing. A shirt, jeans, and the other's just wearing a white dress. But yeah, gonna go out for food again. And then probably we're gonna go back to that bar and have some. The bar.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, you get another ice cream and hopefully don't drop it on myself this time.
Sounds good, but my face is really sore. But yeah, we're heading up now into Kamari for some food, dinner this evening. And then, yeah, a drink, and then maybe book a boat. I've been saying this for a while. How beautiful does she look? Here comes the bride. It's 10 inches wide.
Maybe in 10 years.
Oh, but you've been asking me to marry you for like the past week.
Oh, why have
On the plane, so you never married me. This little restaurant down where we watched last night. Rihanna's going to be getting the chicken souvlaki again because she's fussy as hell. I'm just going to get a margarita pizza. And there's that cute dog roaming around. Here he comes. Go on, give us a bar. Give us a bar. Woof. Yeah. Pizza. Rihanna's chicken souvlaki. I like the little vegetables on it, very cute. So Rihanna got another ice cream.
Kinder Bueno this time.
Kinder Bueno flavour. We paid €42 for the pizza and souvlaki. I wasn't that much of a fan of the pizza because of all the stuff that apparently I asked for.
It's because he ordered a margarita, but then the man thought he said Greek pizza, and he didn't correct him, so...
I didn't know he said Greek pizza, I thought he was just agreeing with me. But apparently not, so...
And my food was nice though.
Yeah, so €42, not too bad. So now we're just walking down Kamari, just gonna probably go to that bar, but all the way back there.